Welcome to Node.js tutorial. Today I will show the of how to delete file in Node.js using fs module. So how we can delete file. Now we will delete file. Suppose sample underscore new. This file we want to delete. fs.unlink. Unlink is the method of fs module for delete file. First parameter is the file name and second parameter is callback function. Error, throw error, console log file deleted. So now we'll run project for see the delete file node. So here is the showing file deleted. So our file deleted successfully. Sample underscore new. No sample underscore new file here. So file has been deleted successfully. For delete file, use the unlink method for delete file. First parameter is the file name and second parameter is the callback function. Thank you.